In this video, we'll take an existing in-video quiz and insert it into an assignment so that when they take the quiz, it will insert it into your gradebook. So this video quiz, I have already added the questions to. So we're going to check. So here's question 1, question 2. So we're going to go to an assignment. You can add it to an existing assignment or create a new one. So I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call it in-video quizzing. Give it a due date. 8th, start of class. And then we'll make it 10 points. So we'll give it more options so that I can type in. So here would be the description. Answer that. And these are the typical settings that you have for all the other assignments in Canvas. For the submission type, you want to set it to external tool. And when you find the tool, it's going to be Panopto Recordings. Right. Select the recording, and it's going to show you all the videos that you have in Panopto. And since this is the one that has the questions, I'm going to select this one. You can leave this at default, or you can even make it smaller. So I'm going to insert it, and you just hit select. And then now a link's there. Don't change this, leave it as is. You can have it load in a new tab, but I think you can load it here. It should be fine. How many attempts? Since the quiz, I had each question allow only one attempt. I'm just going to leave it as limited to only one attempt. You can ignore the moderate grading since it's just a video. And then here are your due dates and until date and when they can start taking it. I'll go ahead and save and publish. So now when they go to the assignment, they see this description that you created and then the video. You can see how it's a regular video where you can't click on the slides to advance. So we're going ahead and see how it looks like when you're a student. So Panopto. So this is what they see. They see when it's due, how many points, and how many attempts won. So your description. And then when you hit play, see how they can't skip. They can hit the closed caption if they need. Yeah, just took a while. I see here. You can hit here and they can skip to the other part, which is the slides. But as you can see, I can't skip past where the first question is. It's going to make me answer it. So let's say, so this one is a 2-part multiple answer question. I have to either get both right to get full credit. If I get only one right, it'll give me 0 credit. So this one is supposed to be these 2 answers, but since I'm going to answer 1, I hit finish, it gives me 0 points because it needs, both of them needs to be correct. And then I can't retake it because that's the option. So I could continue. It'll go to the next slide. And we keep going. And then a new question popped up. So I'm going to hit choose. And then I answer correctly. Continue, and they'll let you go all the way to the end. Right? So now when we leave the student view, so as a faculty, when you go to the speed grader, you can see that they got 5 out of 10. And then if you were to go to each student to see how they did. So they took the quiz and now it's in the gradebook.